Today we're going to talk about if you should consider hiring a credit repair service. My name is Monica Brito and I'm a real estate and mortgage expert. I come to you every week talking about all things real estate, mortgage, and credit related. So you are at the point where you have done everything you can in order to try to improve your credit score and you are not seeing significant improvement. You have run your annual credit report and checked for inaccuracies. You have disputed anything that is inaccurate on your credit report. You've also looked at any charge-offs or collections that have reported in the last 24 months and have sent letters or tried to resolve it with the credit company and tried to pay to have those deleted. You've now paid off all of your credit cards and are now only using 2 credit cards, charging $20 a month and paying them off before your payment is due. You've looked at all your student loans and made sure that they are up to date, not in collections. Maybe you've even arranged a new repayment schedule with them to make sure that they're reporting correctly. At this point, you've done everything you can. If you're not seeing a significant increase in your credit score, it is time to start looking at credit repair companies. Now, what do these people do? Well, they do everything that you could do, but more. They're professionals in the business, so they know exactly what to send, when to send them, how to address these people in order to make sure that these get deleted from your credit report. Usually, I don't like hiring a credit repair service until about after 6 months, not seeing significant increase. So that's the first reason that I would hire a credit report service. The second reason I would do it is if you know yourself and you know that disputing these cars or going over this is too much work for you, not something you want to invest your time in, and or possibly you're not actually looking to buy a house in the next couple of months. Maybe you're a year out. So you have time to invest in this and make sure that your credit report looks solid by the time you're ready to buy a house. I will link below a credit report company that I have used in the past and have had good success with. I am not affiliated or do I get paid for referring you to them. They are just somebody that a lot of people in the mortgage business have used and have had good success with. So hopefully this helps. Once again, this is a last resort option, but it is an option, so I wanted to make it available to you. Hope everyone has a good week and we will see you next week.